Most people like to talk about things as being light as air, but really air isn't all that light. To express the weight of the Earth's atmosphere, you need the number 5 and then 15 zeros, which is 5 quadrillion tons.
Typically in an office building, if you have 10 by 10 by 20 foot room, you're looking at about 2,000 pounds of air.
You might think of the HVAC in a building like the lungs in your body. If your lungs aren't working, then your whole body's affected. If the HVAC system isn't working well, then the building is affected.
If you're in a space, you want to feel that you can relax, be comfortable, so that you can do what you're there to do and focus on the task at hand.
If we have a lot of temperature complaints, our guests, they just won't come back at all.
The people are used to the fact that they're in a building and it's somewhat comfortable. They figure everything's okay.
A lot of times they can be comfortable but still not be in a healthy working environment.
We came in, we found all the thermostats were incorrectly set.
I go up to the rooftop and 80% of the economizers aren't hooked up correctly.
The indoor blower,
coils,
the heat exchanger,
the belts,
the compressor,
the fans. If all those things are dirty, the system could be fighting itself, using a lot more electricity or a lot more natural gas than they really need to. To me, I think the best way to deal with HVAC problems is not to have a problem by doing good maintenance to begin with.
I think the difference between a regular maintenance or quality maintenance, in a standard maintenance, a guy goes in, he changes some filters, and they take a quick peek at the unit and they're out of there. The downside to that is you're going to have more breakdowns and you're going to have higher energy use. The QM180 focuses on energy efficiency. You get low breakdowns, low repair costs, and quality maintenance will reduce your energy bills.
Probably about 1/3 of our electrical expenses are due to HVAC systems. So we've worked with PG&E on all of our buildings in order to, first of all, make our buildings run better, but second of all, also take advantage of a lot of the great rebate programs that PG&E offers.
It really is time to rethink HVAC and look at buildings as these living, breathing structures that serve the living, breathing people inside.
The reason I like my job at PG&E is I think I'm actually contributing to a solution.